In this video, I'll show you how to extend a song in Suno AI in 2026. Start by signing in to your Suno AI account and opening your library. Once you're logged in, locate the song you want to extend. You can find it in your recent creations, project history, or library section. Next, open the song and look for the More Options menu, which is usually represented by 3 dots next to the track. Click the menu to view the available actions for that song. After that, select the Extend option. This feature allows Suno to continue your existing song beyond its current ending. Once you click Extend, Suno will open the extension settings page. Now, choose where you want the extension to begin. In some versions of Suno, you can continue from the end of the track automatically, while other versions may allow you to select a specific point in the song. Next, review the song details and enter any additional instructions if the option is available. You can describe how you want the continuation to sound, such as maintaining the same style, adding a new verse, creating an instrumental section, or building toward a stronger ending. After that, confirm the extension settings and click Generate, Create, or Continue Song. Suno will process your request and generate a new section that follows the original track. Once the generation is complete, listen to the extended version carefully. Make sure the transition between the original song and the new section sounds natural and matches the style you intended. Now, if you're not satisfied with the first result, you can generate another extension. Adjusting your instructions and trying different prompts can often produce better transitions and more creative continuations. Next, save the version you prefer. Depending on the available tools in Suno, you may also have the option to extend the song again, creating an even longer track by repeating the same process. After that, organize your finished song in your library so you can easily access it later. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple versions of the same project. Finally, download the completed track if you're happy with the result and want to use it outside of Suno. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to extend a song in Suno AI in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.